All right,
All you're gonna do is listen to make sure you can hear everybody.
I need you to sit down there real quick. I'm gonna do an Infinity War scene.
Come back to me.
Yes,
Come on,
you heard it.
Infinity War, not Endgame, because we don't want to spoil that.
No, I'm not gonna spoil that. Plus, this is an Endgame. I mean, Infinity War
Start
scene.
backing up to the point where Aaron is on screen.
All right, well, one thing.
So Aaron got his truck back, the Lean Mean Me machine, and so we got rid of that trash Alero. Am I right? Horrible car. Autism! Okay, anyway, we have been filming a sketch.
We were supposed to film it like that long ago, so.
I'm listening to the sound. Michael, Michael.
Let me demonstrate. Headphones.
I'm ready.
So let me
Dude,
demonstrate.
wait, the camera. No, turn it off, turn it off.
It's Ryan's.
Okay, the boys.
Don't bring the coffee.
I am the game god!
Oh wait, they might want to move out of the way.
I am the techno god.
No, we're not done. Do it here.
Your music,
Whoa,
my music
dude,
is
everything's
superior.
like really far away.
Over here.
Hey,
Whoa.
look, grab this.
You are so stoned!
Grab this. Grab it.
No, look! You are so stoned!
Really being chased by a bunch of idiots right now.
Get out of the car!
Get out! Back up, back up, back up.
Put your hands up! Wait, Danny, no, you can't do that.
Danny, no!
Search this man's car for drugs.
Will do. He's running!
So where's Aaron?
Aaron! We have to go get his truck.
I thought, is his truck fixed?
Michael? Yeah, his truck's fixed.
Oh, look what happened.
Michael, how much time we got left? Because
We don't have any.
we gotta be out of here. We gotta get going.
It's actually only 5
Oh,
o'clock.
did you guys finish?
No.
No, we didn't. Aaron! Where are you?
Why don't
He left.
Why don't we all pile in Ryan's car and go over there?
Well, this is so cool.
Well, we'd have to pack up everything right over there.
That's what I was saying.
We're not even paying attention. But at the same time, this filming day is kind of a bit of a wash.
Oh shoot.
Are you filming?
Well, me sideways.
Alright, I'm gonna run him down. Sir, get out of the vehicle! Sir, roll down the window. Roll down the window. Here, get out of the way.
So is the Lean Mean Me machine back?
It's working. Look at this. Wait, look
The
up.
yuck?
Look at the hood. Ready? Go look at the hood, man.
Rev it, bro.
Oh, that's nice.
What? Rev it again.
A nice new alternator.
And look at the exhaust pipes.
So much better.
At least when you rev it now, it's not as annoying.
Yeah, look. So I got a new alternator.
And new
I got new I can't remember what it's called right now. Not exhaust, but
Headers.
manifolds. So new manifold.
manifolds and headers.
Headers are under here. Those are the headers. This is the manifold. This is, I probably shouldn't touch that. That's gonna be really hot. But yeah, so I got a new belt too yesterday. That was yesterday. The belt broke as I was driving. Yep, just broke. And then I went and got another one, and then it broke again. So we'll see what today holds. The Lean Mean Me machine is back though. Ready? Wait, ready? It's back!
We're gonna add another restaurant to the Boyz list of approved restaurants. It's pretty good, and I'm pretty sure Aaron still has autism.
Yeah, so the Yuck's back. Got the whip. It's gonna be interesting. We got the Yuck. Got a new belt and stuff, as you guys saw. It's back for sure. But yeah, the Yuck. She's back. It's gonna be exciting. Gonna have a lot of fun. Yeah, it's gonna be great. I might have pooped myself. Yay!
Gentlemen, the militia has arrived.
Yeah, we're closing shop.
Yeah, I figured.
What else?
we
What
were.
all do we have to clean up?
No, it's all here.
My camera bag. Okay.
Yeah, your camera bag's right over there.
And then,
Oh,
where's the IMTV camera?
We need to try to find a date where we can come back here and do this again.
What's
So-
everyone doing
You know, it's probably going to be another waste of time.
But
tomorrow?
well, I have to go to my mom's, and I know
Oh,
these
that's
two
fine.
are working.
Yeah, I'm working too.
Yeah, I'm working as well.
But we can
Well,
always.
this isn't Michael. This is gonna take time. Like, it's not. Like, even if we do it another day, it's gonna take a while, guys.
We got nothing done today.
What
We
about
got
that
some
scene?
parts done. Summer's in 3 weeks, Michael.
It's okay.
Yeah, but we have
That's
to
when
use the
our schedule's
IMTV
get free.
stuff.
Borrow the IMTV during
Yeah,
the summer.
I can.
Aaron can. That is true.
I'm in IMTV. If I say to go in the back of the truck,
Aaron, we're putting him back here.
you're dumb.
It might rain, bro.
It's gonna be fine.
So we're going to Asian buffet, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to Israel.
Okay.
No, we're not. Definitely not.
Hey,
No,
look,
we're gonna
Brian,
go to
come here,
McDonald's. We're gonna go. We're gonna go.
We're gonna
This
go
is
to
the
that.
original belt.
We're going to that
Hey,
place.
where's
that
the
I-
old one? Where's the other one? Did they take the other one?
Can I see this first?
No, you're not whipping anybody with it.
No, I don't want to whip anyone. I just want to whip
The
something.
Tinso Boys.
Yeah.
No, Danny,
Hit
no,
it,
get it.
and then go whip a tree.
I don't know why I'm enjoying music.
You're gonna ruin your voice, bro. All right, this is stick up. This is stick.
Why do you still have that? So my dad gave me the Alero so I can drive it like for the boys when we're going to like far places or like we're driving
Okay.
a lot.
Oh,
So
okay.
it saves gas. This
Okay.
thing's like he said.
Yeah,
he
it's a
said
V8, Aaron.
He said for like the boys, if you guys are gonna be driving a lot, so we're gonna back it into the thing real quick.
Drive away.
Drive
All right,
away.
Aaron, can you do something really
Is that
sick
wave
here?
5? Are they coming back from the engineering field trip? Oh, never mind. Okay, everybody needs you guys to duck so I can see.
Oh yeah.
Danny, put my mirror out a little bit.
Ian,
No,
Ian,
one
I have
less.
good vocabulary. Don't think I'm gonna hit. I promise.
Don't at me.
I have a vernacular for vocabulary.
At me,
That's so awesome.
We're in a new vehicle again.
All right.
I'm gonna Thanos.
Ian, no narrating!
I'm gonna Thanos snap, and we're gonna end up in another vehicle. Oh man. Wait a
We don't
minute.
have another vehicle.
Wait
We
a
don't
minute.
have
Answer me
Brian's
this.
car.
Answer me this. So humans are just a congregation of living cells. So if Thanos snaps, doesn't that mean half of every human cells would actually die too? Which means everyone would actually die in Infinity War?
Looking like mangled corpses.
Well, technically, wouldn't if half of all existence disappeared, and that means all humans disappeared?
No, but
that would mean
how-
that would take over for the other half of the cells that are dying.
No, you can't make up for that many dead cells. Your stomach would be leaking out of you. Your
Yeah,
blood
God, you
cells.
can't
You
just
would
lose
die.
half your cells
You'd
and
be
survive.
dead. No, but he said half of all life, which means
Okay, well, listen, Ian. Marvel, it's too. You have to be extremely specific, and it's just not worth it. So I think the Infinity Stones understood what Thanos' intent was. Okay.
and suddenly they would all disappear. And you know what I call that? Mercy. Asian buffet, another one of those approved Boyz locations. Yeah, Asian buffet, bros.
We gotta wait. We gotta wait.
We gotta make from Mickle.
Yeah, wait, are you still packing? Are you still packing heat? Like, oh, okay. I thought you still had the Nerf gun.
No,
I
he
didn't.
has a Nerf gun.
I didn't want to get arrested.
Well, pretty much everything else has already been said. I mean, if we were to get more footage with the bottom floor, I think it wouldn't be worth the risk. Somebody would probably end up in the hospital with how dangerous that place is, and it wouldn't be worth the risk at all. It would not be worth the footage.
So I felt like there's a whole other floor to the area we were just in. I feel like it'd have been some really good content. I'm a little upset that we couldn't get it. If I get hurt, I get hurt. Nobody cares. And it's just, I just feel like there would be more content, but I'm gonna listen to my friends. I'm gonna understand where they're coming from, and we're gonna go do other dumb.
So I gotta leave. So again, the boys are gonna get They're gonna do some stuff without me. I hate the fact that I have to go home at 7 o'clock, but that's okay.
You need to start playing When I See You Again.
Okay.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Ryan.
Good luck. I will see you on the other side. We will get good content for you. We're gonna go to the Tecumseh Trail. There's like 4 of us, so it'll be safe. We got Danny, and Danny will kick the crap out of him.
Don't lose the camera.
Won't. And I'll have it to Aaron tonight. See ya.
It's been a long day without you, my friend. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Are you good?
Yeah.
I think it was my fault.
And listen, that we can get a new one, all right?
I can't replace you.
Like
Jesus, dude. So Ryan, what happened?
I pulled out too fast. I turned that way and they were coming and I was like, it was just like, and then they hit me.
Hey, your turn signal's on still.
It's hazard.
Okay, Ryan. So what happened, dude?
Yeah, I kind of pulled out and got hit. That's pretty much what happened.
Ryan, I'm glad you're alive, man.
Whoa, I'm gonna get a video of me filming Danny.
you're gonna get your bike out. Start pedaling.
Michael, so I think what we conclude is that Ryan's pull-out game is weak!
Tecumseh Point, baby! We're here, we're chilling. Yeah, it's a good day. There's 4 of us, so we're not gonna get murdered, hopefully.
Ryan got in an accident.
Ryan got in an
week.
accident. Pull-out game week. Whoa, is that Michael filming me while I'm filming Michael?
Whoa,
Oh crap, bro.
is that UGP Productions?
It's UGP Studios, bro.
I'm sorry, I'm so used to your
UGP is unidentified.
Unidentified Gold Production Studios.
No, it's not productions. I'm working on what the P will stand for.
Unidentified Gold Production Studios.
Look. No, that goes like there's a small off the beaten trail that goes. No, don't go down there.
Danny, you dumb.
Danny, don't go down there.
God, Ryan, edit.
Ryan, edit.
Ryan, edit your car back together.
History at its finest.
Yeah, we used to have bald eagles. Now we only have like 4 in Ohio. We have some wolves. We do not have otters, I don't think, anymore. And then bison. They're dead. Let's go.
Bison, they're dead.
I got a wedgie, bro. One second. I got a wedgie. Oh, that's better.
I had a wedgie, bro.
Chill. Rat, bat, dirty old 69 tied in a hooray, lizard.
Tree kind of caught it.
Just kinda.
This is really bad, guys. We found a clown in the woods.
What?
Like clown poplar.
I came out of a
Well, I'm like really far away, so I may die.
Dirt right there.
Don't.
Yo, I found it.
I mean, I'll join you on like that part, but I will not go much farther than that.
But actually, be careful.
The path just keeps going this way. So we'll just follow it out.
You've got to be joking.
What?
He's taking selfies.